Hello, Professor. My name is Neil Patel, and I'm presenting my files regarding assignment 3. So, the first file I'm presenting right now, it's my calendar.java, in which I have created a public class calendar with extends JFrame, and I have used Georgian calendar to display the calendar in my program. So, first I set the title of my JPanel, then I have set the heading. Then I've created buttons like prior and next to go to the previous month or to the next month. I've used the current mm, I use the current year to display the calendar instead of 2022. So I'll just run my program on this side. Okay. So as you can see, there's two buttons, prior and next. So by pressing prior, you can go to prior month, and by pressing next you can go to the next month. So these are action listeners to the both button like prior and next, to use them to go to the previous month or to the next month. Then I have created the days which are presented like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday over, as you can see over this side. So then in this I have created the string called month to display the month which we are seeing right now. Then I use the switch case statements to decide which is the first day of the month, like it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday. So next I have used I've used like, is it leap year? If it's not, it will show 28 on February. But if it is a leap year, though, then it will show like 29 instead of 28. So this is how I have used display the leap year. Then next I have used for loop to display the previous month remaining dates on the presenting month grade. Like as you can see, like the last month days which are showing up here are in gray color. Then it will show the next it will show the it will show the days of the presenting month, and next for loop will show the starting days of the next month as gray. So this is how I have set my panel, like in the north heading, then the calendar in the center, and in south the buttons. So this was my program, and now I'll display you my second program, which was in my assignment, my virtual keyboard. So in this I have created a public class my virtual keyboard, and I have first entered all the values which will be showing in my keyboard once I start running it. So I have keep it as a string, like first row, second row, third row, as it is, as you can see. Then I have took some special characters and all. First I have took all the characters which are I'm going to use in the keyboard. Then I have took special characters. Then I text area, I have created a text area. Then the buttons, this will use to correspond the individual rows, like the first, second, third, or fifth. This will show the color of the button when you press the button, it will change the color to blue, and once you release it, it will go back to the normal one. So then I have set the title, then I initialize text area, then I have set the dimension of it. Then, as shown in PDF, uh, I have mm, I'll just macro button and show you that as there was in PDF, we have to display a line saying that type some text using keyboard. This key will press and will highlight. So have display the same thing over here. Then I have set all things in the panel, like in north, center, the keyboard, and the note. Then I have set the rows of the keyboard using the border layout. Then the grid layout to display all the buttons in grid. I have created 5 rows and 1 column to set all the keyboard buttons. So I have created like for loop for each row. Like this is for the first one. When the button is pressed, it will display on the screen and how the button will be shown. Then I have created the same thing for the second button as well. When the button is pressed and when the button is released. Then same goes for the third row. I've set it, and it will display the output on the screen. Then the next row and the last one, the fifth row. Then I have added the key listeners to react with the button pressed and button released. I have created the listeners below in my program, which I'll show you further. So here you can see I have created an event called key typed. When the user types the key, it will initialize and show you the output. And then I have created the key pressed. So as I said before, when the user press the key, it will change the color to the blue and show the output on the display. So then the next event, key released, so it will go back to the original color as you can see right now. So I'll show you how the when change the color. It's a small font size, but as you can see it is printing those, and when I press the button it is changing the color and it is printing on the top. So press W, E, R, and then resets the color as you can see to the original color. Then text area handler to show uh, to display the string I am entering right now, like 1. So now I have created an if statement. It will help the user while using the keyboard. Like when it press the backspace, it will do the function of the backspace, then the tab, the caps lock, the enter button, the shift, and all the special characters which are I have included in my program. So this This key handler will use to handle the text field area, like it will display the string which is used by which is entered by the user using the keyboard. So now I'll show you my whole output. Okay, so I'll write my name now. Um, now, as you can see, it is displaying perfectly my name on the top of the text area, and using backspace I can delete it again. Okay, so I'll write multiple lines and show you that it is working perfectly. And enter. So if I press the upper button, it will go up. So as you can see, all the functions are working perfectly, and my program is running completely okay. So this was my files and my output regarding my programs, and thank you for your time, sir. Thank you.